नहीं करना है, अभी क्यों ही किसी के लिए ये काम करना है, किसी के लिए ये काम नहीं करना है. It is about, you have to grow. Nobody has time for anything. But they are doing a lot of work from morning to evening. There is a to-do list which is not ending at all. You are so busy in the outside world prioritizing each and everything. The demands of life will never end. It will keep coming and keep coming. This is how life is. But marriage was never about comparison. It was about complementing each other. If you are not happy and content and peaceful at your relationships, then how will you perform better in the society? Hi, I'm Ghazal Khan, a relationship coach at BN Clinic 19. This International Marriage Week, let's pause and reflect what marriage truly means in today's world.
Why do you think marriage exists in every community and culture across the world? And what's the deeper purpose of it beyond tradition and social expectation?
Okay, so see, marriage is a very divine thing. It's a gift to humanity from God, which we have to return it to God. The context is that how well you are performing in a relationship, how well you both grow in a relationship. That is what the context of marriage is. If you are doing very good, if the other person comes into your life and then you are a team of two, you can take up bigger things in life and perform it as a team. So now what has come into the society, there is a comparison coming up. Marriage was never about comparison. It was about complementing each other. It's about, sharing the responsibility. It's about willingness. It's about peace. It's about prosperity. Now they think that concept of marriage is a very backdated concept. It's an old concept. And नहीं करना है, अभी क्यों ही किसी के लिए ये काम करना है, किसी के लिए ये काम नहीं करना है. It is about, you have to grow. Do you want to grow as a human being? You want to perform best in all walks of your life. But then the foundation is marriage. If you are not happy and content and peaceful at the foundation, at your relationships, then how will you perform better in the society? Then you are not able to give your 100%, और आप अपने optimal level पे कभी काम नहीं कर पाते हैं, because there is something which is bothering you. So for this I have to say, as a marriage expert, as a relationship expert, that you have to understand that marriage is not, just being together and, it's just about, sharing little love and all. It's about, more of a commitment, more of a love, more of a respect, and what well you can give to the society as a team. This is what I have to say.
How have modern times changed the way we look at marriage, and what are the biggest pressures couple face today in the world of technology and busy lifestyle?
Okay, as you have already asked, the answer is there in the question. The life is very demanding nowadays. It is a busy life. Nobody has time for anything. But they are doing a lot of work from morning to evening. There is a to-do list which is not ending at all. So, how are you contributing then towards your relationship? You are so busy in the outside world prioritizing each and everything, but not prioritizing your relationship. As I have already mentioned, that relationship is going to give you that energy which will lead you to, perform best in your life. So if you're not concentrating there and not paying attention there in the relationships, then what are you performing? It is like just a motivation. You will perform and then you'll be burnt out, because then you are pouring from an empty cup. कब तक pour करेंगे हम? You have to be fulfilled to give it to others. So this is the challenging times, we understand. But then you have to be very disciplined in this time for your relationship, that how I am contributing in my relationship. This is very important. Through understanding that the demands of life will never end. It will keep coming and keep coming. This is how life is. Life is dynamic. But I have to anchor myself, and that anchor is relationship.
Earlier, marriage roles were clearly defined. Now, because both partners are financially independent, how has that shifted the balance in modern marriages?
So yes, I will agree to this, that there is a role reversal. Or right, like a male and female in a marriage, both are now have demands, their professional demands, they have their own aspirations, they have to do a lot in life, you know, जो पहले नहीं था. पहले people were not so conscious about themselves. Now they are conscious about themselves, and it's very good thing to be conscious about yourself. But at the same time, how far you can go if you are all alone? If you are in a relationship and if you care about the other person's aspirations and the other person cares about yours, and if suppose if the other person is not caring about your aspirations, at least you start taking care of that. जैसे ही आप वो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेना शुरू करते हैं, यू नो, द रिलेशनशिप स्टार्ट थ्राइविंग. दैट इज़ द ब्यूटी. और दूसरा, जो आपके साथ रिलेशनशिप में इंसान है, वो अपने को अलाइन करने लगता है. इफ़ यू टॉक अबाउट ग्रोथ, इट विल बी अ ग्रोथ फॉर बोथ. If you talk about love, affection, peace, you know how you are coexisting. So this is how it is. But in modern time, it is not happening because the focus is not relationship. The focus is more money, more career, you know, how I am performing well. It's an era of social media. हम उधर कैसे दिख रहे हैं, जो हमारे पास में relationships हैं उनको हम focus नहीं कर रहे हैं. You know, they are our prized possessions, but ऐसा लग ही नहीं रहा है. ऐसा लग रहा है कि किसी और को दिखाना है, दुनिया को पता होना चाहिए हाउ वी आर. बट हाउ वी आर में यू आर लूजिंग द एक्चुअल एसेंस ऑफ लाइफ. एंड दैट इज़ वाई यंग पीपल, यंग कपल्स, पीपल हु आर मैरिंग नाउ, दे आर नॉट हैप्पी इन द मैरिज. क्योंकि वो हैप्पीनेस कम्स फ्रॉम विद इन. वो कहीं बाहर ढूंढ रहे हैं, वो वैलिडेशन ढूंढ रहे हैं. वो सोच रहे हैं लोग हमें कहेंगे कि अरे तुम तो बहुत अच्छे कपल हो, यू आर सो गुड, यू आर सो नाइस, यू आर परफॉर्मिंग सो वेल, तभी हम अच्छे होंगे. Where is the focus? The focus has to be here in the relationship. And one thing I would like to give this message to all boys and girls both, कि male has to understand the need of a female. The need of a female is to love. You know, she needs to be loved, cared, nurtured. This is her topmost need. And a male need is to be respected. So if we understand the need of each other and if we love each other like that, you know, if we take care of this need, not fulfilling, you cannot fulfill, you have to take care of each other's need. The moment you start taking care of this need, you know, the relationship will thrive and the product will be, you know, very good. You will be a better person, you will be a person with more productivity, you will be energized, you will be contributing to the world. So to build a good society, you don't have to do much. You have to become peaceful in the relationship you are handling. And I'm talking in context of only marriage relationship because this is a marriage week, International Marriage Week.
If there's one practice couples can start today to strengthen their marriage, what would it be?
Okay, so it's about focusing on your values. Actually, this is a very deep question. Question is about what are your values. If your value is to love, if your value is respect, if your value is, you know, to have commitment towards a relationship, you focus there. Problem क्या है अभी young couples में कि they are focusing on कि the other person is not living his value. See, the problem is this. जब हम फोकस करेंगे किसी और पे कि वो नहीं कर रहा है तो मैं ये क्यों करूँ रिलेशनशिप में. It is again about comparison. As I said earlier, it's not about comparison. You start. If you take up, you become a better person. And if it is, you know, it is about power of one. If you start taking up this responsibility of living your values, you will see a magic happening. The other person will realign. Suppose if he doesn't or she doesn't realign, always you have a better choice and you will be a better person. So it's not about, you know, that marriage is there so it will exist forever. But yes, it is a very beautiful thing. It might end also. I'm not saying that all 100 marriages will be sustained. No, it might end also. But if you take up the charge or of living your values in a marriage, you will be a better person even if you exit that.